It is game day. Today I'm going to share with you my recipe for hot chicken wings, homemade blue cheese dressing, and my way of making homemade French fries. Everything's organic, holistic, and delicious. While I'm cooking for everyone else, is I start out with a good cold IPA. Cheers. Once you get it like that, then now you're just basically leaving the skins on because that's where all the fiber and the nutrients are in the potato, and boom. I'm okay with reusing my potato bowl. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna take my chicken wings that I have here, and I do love when they have the bone in, because the bone in chicken, it just adds so much flavor. Toss these up, because this is all I really need just to get started for the grilling process. Like every good party planner, you have to have a good assistant. My #1 boyfriend.
I'm ready for it. So where's the chicken at?
Okay, so anyway, so here we go. So it's all seasoned, ready to go. I just need for you to do your thing, and then we'll come back and toss it up in the sauce.
All right, I'll sprinkle my grill magic over top.
In this recipe for the blue cheese dressing, the homemade blue cheese dressing, it's the law of thirds. So what we're going to do is we're going to start with 1/3 cup of mayonnaise, and then we're going to add 1/3 cup of sour cream. And I got my measuring tools here. Yum, this smells so good. Okay, 1/3 cup sour cream. Yum. And then we're going to add 1/3 cup of our raw milk blue cheese. So this feels like it's about 1/3 of a cup, but just to make sure, I'm going to go ahead and take my butter knife. I'm going to slice a big wedge of it off, and I'm just going to kind of smoosh it inside the cup here and let it fill and do its thing. Push it in. Actually, that looks like a pretty good wedge. I'm gonna go with it. I'm sticking with that. So I'm gonna go ahead, break that up. The next you're gonna do is, if you happen to have like a lemon juicer, like right here, it's nice because then you're able to kind of like get the seeds out. And all you really need with this recipe is you just need 1 tablespoon of the lemon juice. So go ahead and get the juice out. Got my seeds. I know what to be looking for now. And fill and dump. All we need to do now is add a pinch of salt. And that looks pretty good to me so far. Boom, and it's as simple as that. Now all we have to do is just add a little cracked pepper. Mix and serve. We're getting into the home stretch. So what I did is, this is pretty much how the meal is going to be served to my guests. I love white plates. I have my homemade blue cheese dressing, which is delicious. I have a nice kale salad that's a superfood salad that I got from actually my local deli, so I cheated a little bit. But I do love kind of like the grab and go farm style presentation here. So I've got my celery sticks to cut the heat, and then also we're going to put some hot sauce in a bowl. And I also am going to toss in just a touch of the old spicy rooster. And then I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna dump my 1 cup of melted butter into my bowl. Once I do that, I'm gonna go ahead and give it a quick toss with a spoon. Kind of mix it up a little bit because the fat in the butter is really gonna cut the heat for our chicken. Go ahead and coat these with the butter, the hot sauce. They did not turn orange like you probably would expect them to, but guess what? That's the beautiful thing. If you need more, you can always add more. My mouth is watering. This is absolutely incredible. Your guests were going to love these two. Well, heck. Here we go. Yeah, simple, but yet there's just so much comfort that comes in the French fry. And there you have it. Delicious game day fun and food. Now I finally get my chance at tasting all this delicious food that I made, and it's so amazing how you can have great tailgating food and yet have it be somewhat healthy for you. So, like I said, got this great IPA, which I haven't been drinking enough of as I've been cooking. But I'm loving totally how crispy these French fries turned out. Right? Oh my gosh, so crunchy. The other thing I love is how tangy this blue cheese turned out with my chicken wings. Oh my god, let's just try these now too. So good. I'm telling you. Life is just awesome. So in the meantime, get out there, have a great time. Thanks for watching. If you'd like more videos like this, just go ahead and hit the subscribe button. And then also, you can always find me on my website, designsbydeyoung.com.